Um, I wanted to make a video because I ain't make one in a minute, and the only way I could get the camera to hold was use this little box. So don't judge me because I'm using a box to hold my camera. I was gonna do a Mario cover, I guess, because that was the easiest thing for me to do. So, baby, I just don't get it. Do you enjoy being hurt? I know you smell the perfume, the makeup on the shirt. You don't believe his stories. You know that they're all lies. Bad as you are, you stick around, and I just don't know why. If I was your man, baby, you never worry about what I do. I'll be coming home back to you every night, doing you right. You're the type of woman says good things, wrist full of diamonds, hand full of rings. Baby, you're a star. I just wanna show you you are. You should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. Oh, baby, good love and protection. Make me a selection. Show me the way love's supposed to be. Baby, you should let me love you. That's it. Yeah. Appreciate y'all watching. Just like my little Mario cover. Hopefully y'all can hear me. I can't tell if y'all hear me. But it's all a grind, it's all a struggle. Team Keys. I'm working.